Prepac products arrive flat, packed, and ready to assemble. The product code is shown on a label on the end of the box. Most products are packed in a single carton. If a product is packed in more than one carton, it will be indicated as -A and -B on the carton. Open the box carefully along the seams. We package the products with injected foam and do our very best to ensure you receive your product without damage. All of our products include detailed assembly instructions. Before beginning, take a few minutes to lay out and identify the parts and hardware. This will make assembly much easier. Also, make sure you have enough space to assemble your product and allow enough time so you won't be rushed. Here's a close look at a couple of the components. Each one is precision drilled to fit a specific piece of hardware and is engineered to make the product very solid once properly assembled. This is a typical hardware pack. Often there will be more than one. Make sure you check the contents of the hardware pack and compare it to the instructions prior to starting. If you are missing a hardware pack, please check the carton and expanding foam, as hardware bags can be easy to miss. If, for some reason, you need a replacement part, we ship these out free of charge within 1 to 2 business days. You can use the order form in the support section of our website, or you can call our customer service department at 1-877-773-7221. We'll need to know a few things to help you. The product model number and color. The date code, which is identified on the front of the instructions. The part or hardware number identified in bold on the instructions. The retailer where you purchased the product. This is to verify that the product was purchased from an authorized retailer. Having this information means we'll be able to more efficiently help you with your request.